Okay, I'm gonna go to bed now. Later, at 4 o'clock in the morning. Dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug. Dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug. Dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug, dug-a-dug. I've had enough with it. What's that sound? I'm not very hungry. I'm gonna go skip breakfast. I need to find out what that sound is. It hurts my ears. Oh, I'm gonna go. What the? What in the world? What are you people doing? Are you the people who's making sounds? Well, technically, we were actually having our lunch break. So yeah. What brings you here, child? You know what, boss? She's okay. Whatever. What brings you here? Well, apparently somebody was making this annoying sound. It sounded like a drill. That's why it was a drill. Yeah, it was a drill. Why are you here? Yeah, why are you here? Because I just told you that annoying sound. It's so annoying. I can't go to sleep. Do you know that a neighborhood is here? Wait, there's a neighborhood? Bertram, there's a neighborhood here. A neighborhood? I never knew that. A neighborhood? What? What neighborhood? I thought the closest neighborhood is in 5 miles. Yeah, I thought it's in 5 miles. Oh no, you're wrong. The farthest shop is in 5 miles. A shop? A shop? Did you hear? Did you hear, Billy? A shop. A shop. A shop. Hey, why are you laughing at me? And you sound the same. Whatever. Why are you laughing? Oh, because speaking of shop, we were making a shop. A shop? You were making a shop? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. You and you were making a shop? Yes, we were. What do you think? We just said that. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, what do you think? This butter tastes different, Brandon. Yeah, wait. Me? Yeah. It does. You know how I made this food for both of you? Yeah, you made this food. It tastes magical, yeah. Yeah, I know, it tastes magical. I made these. And they taste magical. Yeah, I already knew that. I already knew that they taste magical. I made the food, and I made them here and at the shop. I made the food that you're eating is the same as the food in the shop. Yeah, that's. I don't care what you're eating, or I don't care about your food. All I care is I'm gonna talk to the mayor if you guys don't stop making that noise. Why are you laughing again? Stop it. Stop it. It's getting so annoying, and your laughs sound like a bird. 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 Yeah. Our laughs sound like a bird. Sure, say that all you want. Anyways, why were you laughing? We were laughing because there is no mayor. Yeah, there's no mayor here. The only mayor is our boss. You know that pink pig that lives around here? The one that bosses us a lot. No, I don't know that person. Yeah, tell me more about it. She is our boss. She controls the construction. She's our boss for the construction in the city. But yeah, she's the boss. She's like a mayor, except she's the boss. Yeah, she's our boss. Well, she's everybody's boss, even yours. What? Even mine? I didn't even know her. Yeah, she controls all construction. All construction, yeah, all construction. Anyways, Brandon, about this food. You put this same food and you put the same ingredients into that shop. Yeah, I did. Doesn't it taste good? Yeah, delicious. It tastes like tongue. Even though I don't know what Well, I do know it because I'm half lion, half cat. So I do know what tongue tastes like, and it does taste like tongue and eyeballs. This tastes delicious. Thanks for making our lunch, Billy. Yeah, thank you. Hey, what time is it? Yeah, what time is it? Our boss is gonna get mad. What time is it? Let me go see. 10:45. We have 5 more minutes until our lunch break is over. Yeah. Hey, are you finished with your shop yet? No. I just need to do some finishing touches, and then we're finished. Let me just do the finishing touches right now. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bertram! Look! Bertram! What? Our boss is here! Okay, just pretend that we were having a lunch break, okay? What's wrong? Hey, Bertram! Billy, where's Brandon? Oh, he's been doing the last finishing touch. How many minutes did you guys have your lunch break? How many minutes? I need to know now. We only have... Hey, Bertram, you have the sniffles. I don't care if you have the sniffles. What time did you start taking your break? 10:40, ma'am. 10:40. Okay, good. Right now it's 10:45. You have 5 more minutes until your lunch break is over. I don't want it to be 10 minutes your lunch break. I don't. If I see you guys still having your lunch break at 11:01, then you guys are busted. Oh, yes, ma'am. We won't have it. We won't have it at 11:01. We promise. Yeah, we promise, ma'am. You don't have to worry about us. Okay. I'll be back watching you. And you. And Brandon. Whoa, she's a toughie. Anyways, yeah. I'm 100% finished. I don't want my muffin anymore. It tastes... bleh. Okay, I'm gonna throw it away. Oh! I'm gonna throw my muffin away over here. Yeah, okay, I threw my muffin away. Yeah, I'm not... Brandon, you fell. I know I did. I want to lay down. I'm not that hungry. I'm gonna throw mine away too. Yeah, it tastes magical for some reason. Yeah. So we're 100% finished, and yeah, 100% finished. So if you want to shop, then you can. It's gonna cost $0 because there's no cashier. And because you're a first customer, if you are gonna buy some stuff. Yeah, if you are. Oh yes, I have money. Let me just go get it.